Well, good morning, everyone. I got my microphone to work, but now, go figure, my camera doesn't want to work now. So it's okay though. Doesn't matter. We don't need the camera. We just need the microphone at the end of the day. Uh, Technology's been acting weird lately. Twitter's been having problems. Everything's been having problems with technology. So we'll just give us some time to work out the kinks. Maybe everything will go back to normal here soon. But yeah, guys, FEFE is looking beautiful. We're actually getting a little bit of a pumper right now, up 3.5% the past hour, up 1.32% in the past 6 hours, sitting at a nice hefty 859,000. We were just sitting. Where were we? Where were we? We were just sitting at about 820,000. So yeah, we're just consolidating at these levels right now. All right. We are just consolidating at this range right around here, above 800K. So just good to see, beautiful to see. The strength in this coin. There's not many meme coins out there in the world right now that are able to hold this support line. For FEFE, it's 694,000, it looks like, right here at the bottom of this support line. And we're a good amount off of it, and people continue to buy up off of this support line, accumulating more and more. So FEFE is looking good. Very few coins are able to do this. And just like we were talking about on the timeline last night, right? Landwolf is one of the very few, one of the only very few that, even though it's drawn down a lot, right? This is totally normal. That's exactly what you're seeing over here with FEFE. And if you would have avoided FEFE, or the people that were saying, oh, look at FEFE, it's coming down so much, it's a rug, it's bad, look, this is normal. The best coins in the world right now, all of them, they have major drawdowns, 80 to 90% from all-time highs back down to higher lows. That's what you're looking for at the end of the day, drawing down to where? Higher lows. That's what you want to look for. That's what we are finding and seeing in FEFE. That's what we are looking and seeing in Landwolf, right? The best communities this cycle, along with Pepe, right? Along with Pepe. So it is amazing to see. It is amazing to see. There's not many coins out there in the world right now pulling this off, where they're holding above this higher low. And FEFE still, till this day, holding above this higher low, has yet to fall below it, and is extremely strong in volume, continues to have dominance in volume. And when the rest of the market pumps, who else is pumping? FEFE is pumping with Pepe, with Ethereum and Bitcoin and everything else, right? So keep your eye on FEFE. It is for sure a one of a kind in this market, following the market, And it is the smallest market cap coin in the entire crypto ecosystem that is following the market, pegged to the market. It is the smallest market cap meme coin that is pegged to the market successfully, right? Meaning it has the least amount of risk to reward ratio. Because if it is pegged to the market, it is essentially considered a successful meme coin. The only difference between FEFE and something like Mog or Pepe or Mudang or maybe Based Brett is they are a larger market cap. Larger. What is Pepe? What is Apu? What is Mog? What is SPX? They are all pinned to the market. They have consistent volume. They follow the market. What does FEFE do? It is pinned to the market. It follows the market. You see how I'm saying that exactly the same tone, same way, to get it through your head. If it hasn't already. I'm not saying it hasn't gotten through your head yet, but to help the people who see and listen and watch this. If you do not understand, like, if you don't believe me, don't believe me. Look at the numbers. I'm trying to say this in a very specifically clear way so you can look at the numbers for yourself and help yourself understand. Not that you don't understand. I'm not saying this in a condescending, demeaning way. I'm just trying to be genuine out here when I say this, because I know there's a lot of rugs. There's a lot of shitty coins. There's a lot of bad investments out there. So even the most skilled, battle-tested, fucking professional crypto investors will miss FEFE because they have been trained and conditioned to be scared and weary. They've time after time thought they found the coin. They thought they found a good one. They thought they found the community. But it failed. So now they are scared. They are weary. They think they know what it takes. They think they know if a coin's missing this or that, or it doesn't have this or that. They are fucking out. They don't know. Right? Because they have been trained and conditioned at this point through their experience and skill, right? To be like deer. Eyes open, caught in the headlights, prepared and ready for anything, right? They could have the best coin in the world in front of them and they will fade it because they're just used to losing from having so many bad coins out there, right? Because it's so rare for one to pull off the impossible, right? So, but this is the thing. There's going to be a lot of people that see it, and there's going to be a lot of people that don't. And there's going to be a lot of skilled crypto veterans that see this, and they're going to take the opportunity. There's going to be a lot of them that see it and fade it just because they just can't see what's in front of their face because they've been conditioned, right? Through their experience. So, but all you have to do really at the end of the day is look at the data. Is this a one-of-a-kind coin? Is this coin doing what no other coins in the world are doing right now? Along with the very few less than 1% coins out there, is it doing what those coins are doing? If it is doing what less than 1% of the coins in the world out there are doing, then that's something I'm willing to take a bet on, right? Then you might have something there. Because I'm looking at this 200,000, over 200,000 in volume, following the market, higher highs, right? And higher lows, holding its support line, showing the community is strong, the holders are strong, they mean business, and it is showing a bullish, upwards trending trajectory, right? Plus the narrative of Pepe is the frog cycle, this cycle. Matt Fury created Pepe. Matt Fury created FEFE. FEFE sounds very similar to Pepe. Also a frog created by Matt Fury. You see what I'm saying here? So all these things coming together makes this, for me, very bullish and a very obvious play to me, right? Very obvious play to me. The narrative alone is very obvious. Then coupled with the fact that the volume, it's doing what no other coin at its market cap is doing. It's also doing what almost no other coins at any market cap in the world is doing. Putting in higher highs and holding higher lows like Land Wolf, right? Almost no other coins in the world are doing. If it's doing these things, right? Things that almost no other coins in the world is doing, putting in higher lows and higher highs, and incredibly strong volume when almost no coins in the world at its market cap under 1 million have 200,000 or more consistently every single day, right? If it has all of these things, plus the community is going crazy and buzzing over it, people are super bullish over the narrative. All these things coupled together, that's when you get a fire unicorn situation. I mean, we're seeing it happen right now in front of our faces. The numbers don't lie. It's been every single day. We can go back as far back as when it got listed on CoinMarketCap on 07/24/2024. Right? July 24, 2024. You can see the volume right there. You can see the volume right there below price as I scroll the mouse. Every single day. You cannot make this up. This is on Ethereum. Gas fees cost a lot of money, by the way. So if you try to say, oh, well, they could just have bots. Yeah, okay. Have fun paying for gas fees to have bots run for over 7 months to create hundreds of thousands of dollars of volume every day. You think anybody has money to do that? If they do, well then shit. Then there's big people behind this. You see what I'm saying? So regardless, it doesn't matter what you're saying. If it's organic, genuine volume from the market, from the people, which is what I believe it is, bullish. And shit, if you conspiracy theorists out there want to say, oh, it's bot volume, well, guess what? It's on Ethereum. If there is someone out here pushing this much volume every single day through it, then you probably don't want to bet against them because they got a fuckload of money and they know what they're doing, right? So either way, the volume is showing that this thing is ridiculously strong, right? It has a lot behind it. A lot of money behind this coin. A lot of money in the form of people buying and selling every single day. That means when people wake up, when people go to sleep, they're thinking about buying and selling FEFE. When people wake up, they're thinking about buying and selling FEFE, because the only way for there to be volume through this chart day in and day out, and most of it is on centralized exchanges, which means people, investors, holders, traders are buying on these centralized exchanges, not on Uniswap. So you're not going to see the transactions happening right here. Transactions that happen on centralized exchanges like these three do not show up here. Only Uniswap shows up there. And look, there's only 5,000 in volume right now. So most of the transactions aren't even happening on here, right? There's transactions going on all the time. It seems like, you know, based on the fact that there is what? Over 200,000 in volume, right? That's way more than 5,000. So that means there's way more transactions going on than what is showing up on Deck Screener, right? So just be aware of that. And so that means that every single day, this is a representation of people waking up and thinking about FEFE, because the only way that you can get volume is, what is volume a representation of? It's the only way you can get volume is if people think about the coin and then they go, hey, I'm going to go buy some FEFE. Hey, I'm going to go sell some FEFE. And then that is represented in volume when they buy and sell it. So the reason that you have volume here is because people are thinking about it. That's ultimately what it means. How much mind share does this coin have in the market? Are people consistently thinking about it? And how much are they thinking about it? So FEFE has very strong and healthy mind share. Yeah, guys, I'm excited. Share this live stream with everybody, as many people as you can. Thank you so much for listening. I'm going to get to work, get out there into the world, and let's just keep doing our thing. Let's just keep doing our thing. Wow, I thought this was a live stream, but I guess it was a recording, but a recording works too. A recording works too. So I'm going to upload this recording, guys. Much love, everybody. And yeah, like I said, please give me a follow. Leave a reply, share this to your friends and family, tag everybody. I love you guys. Stay up.